friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about the communicable diseases, that is tuberculosis. It is the one type of communicable disease. So first of all guys, we have to see what is the definition of tuberculosis. The tuberculosis is an infectious disease which is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Tuberculosis is generally affected to the lungs, and it can also affected to other parts of the body. That's like such as kidney, bone, adrenal glands, lymph nodes, and meninges, and other various parts of the our body. So, what are the types of the tuberculosis where infection will be there? So, there are two types. Is there? First is the latent and second active. So what happen in latent state? Latent stage tuberculosis is the bacteria remain in the body but inactive state. Uh, the bacteria remain in the body but it is an inactive state. They cause no symptoms but they are contagious. They can become an active. They have a chances to become an active, but the first stage there is an inactive stage. So second is an active stage tuberculosis. In this case, the bacteria cause symptoms and it also transmitted to the person by person and others. uh, for example, we have to know about the what are the tuberculosis symptoms: coughing, sneezes, splittings, etc. We have studied it in detail further. Okay, so about the third world population is believed to that latent tuberculosis, there are 10% chances to latent tuberculosis becoming active, nothing more than that. But there is the risk much higher in people where the comprises immune system. If some person having a latent type of tuberculosis, their immunity will be strong. Otherwise, if the immunity will be low, it cause to others and it become an active stage of tuberculosis bacteria. The people with HIV or malnutrition, or people who having a smoke or passive smoke. The tuberculosis affected all age group of the all body parts of the world. However, the disease is mostly affected in young adults and people living in developing countries. Like in 2012, the 80% of the reported tuberculosis cases occurs in just 22 countries. So what are the causes of tuberculosis? The Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria cause tuberculosis. It is spread through the air when person having tuberculosis with coughing, sneezing, splitting, talks, etc. The tuberculosis is contagious, but it is not easy to catch. The chances of catching tuberculosis from someone you live with or work with someone is more chances or more stronger tuberculosis will cause to you. So you risk factor is that people comprises human system are most at risk of developing active tuberculosis. People who are infected with both HIV and tuberculosis, they around the 20 to 30% more like to develop active tuberculosis than who do not have HIV. It is more stronger because of they have infected in HIV also. they have a low immunity. That's why it causes more strongly. So risk factor is tobacco chewers who was done the smoking and passive smoking, that other also called as a second hand smoking, like that. The early symptoms of tuberculosis is, according to Center of Disease Control and Prevention, the symptoms of tuberculosis disease is include feeling sickness, weak, loss of appetite is there, loss of weight, chill, fever, night sweating, and other cough, and severe cough is greater than 3 weeks or more than that. The chest pain is there. Tuberculosis can affect other parts of the body. Symptoms will depend on parts it affects, like symptoms. The symptoms of tuberculosis include the low grade fever, night sweating, weakness, tiredness, weight loss, as we see above. If the tuberculosis is an lung, the person may have the cough, having a chest pain, shortness of breath is there, might be he having a coughing of to blood is splattered on outside. These are the seen in severe tuberculosis uh, or active stage, as we see above. Other symptoms depend on their body affected on by the tuberculosis germs. During a latent stage of tuberculosis, there has no symptoms, but when it is an active tuberculosis, the cough, fever, and other symptoms will be appear. Uh, while tuberculosis uh, is usually affected lungs, it also affect in other body parts. The symptoms will vary accordingly. The without treatment, tuberculosis can spread to all body parts of the blood streams, that is the bones. There are spinal pain and joint destruction is there. The brain, it can leads to meningitis. Meningitis, it is also known as in our words the inflammation of meninges. Hmm. The liver and kidneys, it can impair the waste filtration functions and leads to blood in urine. The heart, it can impair the heart's ability to pump the blood. It results the cardiac tamponema. It is a condition can be affected to the tuberculosis. So thank you for watching my channel, and please go to like, share and comment button, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.